I think that's what makes it hard for him to really say that this is the person. And so that is kind of what we're looking at from his character, I think, through the film is, can he find that or not? Great to meet you, Tatiana. How's it going?
You are very cool.
I'm cool?
Maybe not as cool as you, but
okay. I appreciate it.
Cool.
Thank you.
So, It's What's Inside is a very unique story. You've been told not to spoil certain plot points.
That's right.
So, the blank is a very enticing introduction to the story, I think.
Yep.
What's it that really spoke to you?
Honestly, Greg's directing. I'd seen a lot of his work before, and I knew that he would just take what was already a great script and really make it his own and just deliver a really cinematic, full, emotional story. And I think he delivered on that.
Now, this is like a large ensemble cast of friends who've known each other for years, who know each other inside and out.
Yeah.
How do you guys get to that point?
Yeah. How do we get to...
Like, off-screen to, show that on-screen? How do you...
I mean, I worked with a great cast on this movie. I think each actor in the movie, there's too many to name, but I worked really closely with Brittany O'Grady, who's just a powerhouse actor, Gavin Leatherwood, Devin Terrell, David Thompson, Nina Bloomgarden. I mean, everybody did such a phenomenal job in their individual parts, and it was a very collaborative process. We rehearsed a ton ahead of time, had lots of conversations. We were all staying at the same place, so even when we weren't on screen, we were all meeting up and talking a lot about the project and the story.
I love that. And of course, Cyrus and Sheldon's relationship is kind of like the hardcore, lack thereof of the story.
Yeah.
So they're in a tough spot right now.
Yeah.
Can you talk about what's going on from his perspective?
I think Cyrus is struggling with his ability to commit, but he's really not able to commit to himself, and I think that's what makes it hard for him to really say that this is the person. And so that is kind of what we're looking at from his character, I think, through the film is, can he find that or not?
You did a wonderful job.
Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.
Have a great night.